Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Rodriguez again for your science experiment. As you know, this is our last week of recording. That means by the time we get to Friday, there will be no more videos after Friday because we're getting close to closing the school. Okay? That doesn't mean you can't see these videos again because you can go to YouTube Kids and you can see these. All right? For your information, today we are going to do an experiment with vinegar so you know what it looks like. This is red wine vinegar, but you can use white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and we're going to use baking soda. We're going to put it into a bottle, an empty plastic bottle, and the funnel, which is right over here, a funnel. This is a funnel. We're going to use it to put in the balloon the baking soda. All right? So let's start with doing our experiment, shall we? So I'm going to incline this so you can see. You can only hear me, but you cannot see my face right now. So I'm going to pour some red wine vinegar in here. Hold the bottle, because if you don't, it tilts because it's empty. And it doesn't matter that your vinegar is red or brown or white. As long as it says vinegar, that's what really counts. Okay? Now, I have to make sure that at least half of the bottle is full of red wine vinegar. In this case, it could be any kind of vinegar. Remember, apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar, or white vinegar. Now, before I put the balloon in, I need to put, let me close this so it doesn't tilt and spill. That's another thing that you should do. Make sure it doesn't spill. I want to use a funnel to put the baking soda in here. Okay? So now I'm going to take some baking soda. You see? And I'm going to pour it in here. And I'm going to make sure that I shake it so that all of the baking soda goes in to the balloon. I feel some of it, but not all of it. And then when I see that hole, that means all of the baking soda went inside. Okay, so I'm going to put some more. And I'm going to go again. I'm going to shake it around, but I'm holding, remember, I'm holding the balloon and the funnel. You see? Now the funnel has none. Now, I want to put just a little bit more. Okay? And again, I'm going to shake and tilt this funnel to make sure that all of that baking soda is in here. And it is because it feels heavy. So take out your funnel, move your baking soda away, the spoon and the vinegar, and only keep this bottle, which is where you're going to do the experiment, available. You can use any color balloon. It doesn't have to be blue. Okay? But what I want to show you is how this balloon will fill up with what you see. So I'm going to take now that baking soda, and I'm going to pour it into the vinegar and watch what happens. You see? It fills it up with air. Whoa, this is cool. Look. You see all that vinegar? And the balloon can stretch more because look, it's making it bigger and bigger. it still has baking soda inside, so I can still shake this up a little bit. So what you do is you create that balloon fill up. And your question will be, well, how did you get the balloon to fill up like that? Well, baking soda and vinegar. The chemistry of vinegar, I really don't know, but the baking soda, you know from the previous video that we talked about when we did last week, something about baking soda. But anyway, baking soda has a chemistry formula element, and so does vinegar. And so what this does is that they mix together and they fill up the balloon with air. This is something that you can do to really surprise somebody. Really put them into perspective of what is going on here. This is what we call chemistry. Okay? You can do this at home. Remember, you only need red wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. You need some baking soda. You need a funnel. And you need a balloon. And an empty bottle of anything. It doesn't have to be water, but this one's water bottle. So I just took the paper off, but you can see everything. Okay? And that's the lesson for today for science. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did, give a thumbs up for this video. Okay? Like this video and subscribe so that way you can get all the other videos that I have been recording since March. These are the videos that will make your life a little easier, and it will make fun for anyone who likes science or any subject, because it could be reading, writing, math. It could be even the routines in the morning. But what's really important is that if you really want to keep in touch, always press that thumb up that says you like the video, and subscribe. That way you will be accessing all of the videos that Mr. Rodriguez has created since March of 2020, since we went in quarantine. Let's put it that way. I will be making some other videos when I'm in the summer, but they will be in Spanish only. Sorry. And those that are going to be in Spanish only are meaning for some students that I have that are not in New York, that are in another state that really need help with their Spanish. And I will be able to help them because I have the preparation for it. I have my degree, but I also have the experience of feeling what they feel when it comes to speaking more than one language. All right? I hope you have fun. I hope you have a great day. And I hope to see you at Google Meet. See you then. Bye.